Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So silver is not a very exciting chart at the moment, but we want to take a look at what is now going to be important when we're moving into the new week. Obviously weekend first, then new trading week, but as we're heading towards the towards the new year actually as well. Let's take a look at the chart. So the idea is still that a larger degree wave 1 topped in 2023, right? We had our wave 2 correction into October 2023. Then the idea is that a larger degree third wave is still unfolding. Hold on, I actually need to change the wave degree here, so it looks very small actually. Yeah, third wave to the upside could still be unfolding. Now, this is where we need to be a little bit creative here. So the base case is we're moving up in some kind of a diagonal pattern. So this could be an A wave off wave 3, right? This top in 2024 in May. Then we had this B wave correction. And yeah, I mean, wave C might be unfolding right now in this third wave. So A wave up, B wave down. Actually not sure where that C wave is hidden. It might have gone somewhere. A, B, C, there it is, yeah? And this C wave would be a 5-wave move. And we're tracking here potential 5 up, 3 down. That could be the 1-2 setup of wave C. Then 3, 4, 5. Now that would be a very bullish perspective. It's possible. But the price needs to hold support here at around $27. I'm gonna zoom in a minute. That's possible because of the 5-wave move up and 3-wave move down. Now, the other possibility would be that actually this third wave already topped here. And all of this is now some kind of a fourth wave, where we might even see a little bit more downside. Either way, currently, we need a 5-wave move up on the smaller time frame to confirm a low of sorts is in place. That means this pullback here that we see at the moment, I see it still as a corrective wave, as a corrective pullback. I think that's very important to understand. Because I don't see it yet as a beginning of a new downtrend. I could be wrong about that, but at the moment I have no reason to believe that. So far I've been bullish about silver for a long time now, since I really started to cover it in 2022 on this channel. So far the direction is still up, and yeah, I mean, we see a pullback from the high, okay, but it's only a 3-wave move down so far, and we had a 5-wave move up. So I'm not yet here bearish. Even though it certainly hasn't performed as I wanted it, so like with that degree yet, I would have thought it would perform better against gold this year. Well, it hasn't done that, but both were supposed to be bullish, both are. But important is to understand, I see the pullback either as a wave 2 or a wave 4, so a corrective rally with more upside to come. The first warning would come if we get a break below the red line there, located at $26.44. So now let's zoom in a little bit, and the idea is still that we are in this 3-wave pullback. We talked about that in the last video. Micro count here, really difficult, messy. I'm looking for some kind of a 5-wave move up from the low to confirm that this wave C of 2 has bottomed. For this ABC structure to the downside, actually it would suggest that we go a little lower towards 27.46, the 100% extension. It's not needed, but therefore I'm saying we haven't necessarily seen a low yet. The low from, not the low, the move from the low so far is a 3-wave move. So I'm labeling this complete, but that doesn't mean it is. What we need to see is 5 waves up from the low as a bare minimum. That would be a micro 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means I just need another 4-5 pattern. I need another higher low and another higher high. 5 waves up, which would then be a wave 1 and a wave 2. That's what we need to focus on next week. Ultimately, what I want to avoid in this move is a break below. So in this 4th wave, but again, look, we're dealing with a 15-minute chart, so it's not necessarily super reliable, but we want to avoid a break below 29.13. As long as that level is holding, we might want to watch for 5 waves, but we need those first anyway. And then we have an early indication a low might have formed, a low of sorts. It's still very small, but that would be the earliest indication. That's what we need to watch for next week. And then support overall is here located at 28.02 is the next one, 27.46 and 2024. That's the update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out the stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.